Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Service Specialist. So it's a Grand Design Reflection that we're back here and that we're doing some work on the unit. But what I want to talk about is, we see a lot of really neat stuff. People are, very ingenuitive. And what I wanted to show you is this customer, obviously, he bought it or he paid somebody to do it, but they built him a custom rack for the back with a toolbox that he added. And then as you can see, they repositioned the license plate and added a light and then added tail lights on both ends. So just want to say how cool that is. I know it's got the license plate in there, but everywhere you drive, you're going to see it. So it's like, whatever. If you're that bored and you want to spend some money to run the plates, go for it. But anyways, it's just me being a smart aleck. But anyways, it's super cool. He's upgraded the lights in the back to LED, and then he's even gone as fact and put, additional clearance lights on the sides. So if that's something that you're thinking about doing, we haven't done this for anybody yet, but it's not a bad deal. So when he comes in to pick up, I'm going to ask him if this is something that he made himself or if this is something that somebody made for him. But it's actually pretty cool, whether he stores whatever he stores here, and it still gives you the ability to get up and down the ladder. And then I like the flag on there as well. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And I just wanted to just throw it out there that, we see some cool stuff sometimes when people come in. Thanks so much for watching.